Because an embarrassed BMC there has cancelled the order for body bags for corona disease after the prices were found much higher. Remember, a group of activists exposed this issue. India Today has now followed it up. Kamlesh Sutar reports.
A body bag scam in the middle of the war on coronavirus. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has cancelled a contract for body bags after it was allegedly found to be buying them at double the prices. The BMC had issued tenders for safety equipment, including masks, gloves, PPE kits and body bags in April. The contract to provide body bags was awarded to Vedant Innotech Private Limited for 6,719 rupees per bag.
I looked up on MCA website. I saw that the company used to manufacture metal castings and chemicals. So what is this kind of a company doing with manufacturing body bags? And today the tender has been cancelled. Everybody should know that these body bags are readily available from 300 rupees to about 1200 rupees.
Even in the US, such body bags were acquired at $51. That's roughly 3,900 rupees. The exorbitant prices were justified by the BMC by citing specifications like leak-proof material. But now, with allegations of corruption emerging, the state government has ordered an inquiry.
I think that this needs to be properly inquired. Like 300 rupees cannot be a cost of a bag. If there is a possibility that someone has purchased it at a very higher cost, we will 100% call for an inquiry, and if found guilty, we will come heavily on that.
The BMC too has reacted. Commissioner I.S. Chahal says, earlier the contract was given to this company as other companies who participated in the tender procedure failed the leak test. We also inquired in Delhi and Jaipur where bags of similar specifications were bought at much lower costs between 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. Hence we have decided to cancel the contract and have ordered retendering.
During the COVID-19 situation, the BMC has been at the receiving end for not providing proper facilities and also mishandling of the situation. But important among them has been the procurement of things like masks and PPE kits. The way bodysuits have been procured at a higher price, this might just be the tip of the iceberg. With camera person Raju Inamdar, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.